but they miss the business value.
Mm.
Can you break that down a little bit for us and what that means for you?
Yeah, sure, Matt. I want to use an example of something that we've been exposed to not too long ago with one of our customers, and their main focus was we need to use a modern data platform to solve a specific problem within revenue assurance. And the problem that they're facing is with the current platform, they can only do analytics or run sort of their models on 10% of sample data and not on the full set just because of the sheer volumes. And they decided to make the investment to say, listen, but we're purely investing in this platform because we want to now be able to run this on 100%. So theoretically, the thought was is if we're getting X value out of 10% and we now run it on the 100%, then surely we should get more value out of it. But unfortunately, the value for the 10% wasn't really ever properly measured and managed. So now making the bigger investment, you're sitting with a problem where they made the investment in the platform and they can now conduct this sort of full analytics on the entire set. The problem is they focused on one problem in isolation and didn't think about the bigger business impact and the bigger business value from that investment. So let's call it, the investment that they needed is $10 million, and the expected value from that one use case might have been $8 million, right? So it doesn't really warrant it, but they feel like it was worthwhile. If they took the approach differently around sort of this from a process perspective and not focusing on the capability of the platform, but rather on what the value would have been, more than likely they would have had additional 3 or 4 additional cases for value. And I mean, it's when we looked at it after the fact, just things like there was ability to increase customer spend. There was ability to measure attrition of customers, so retaining a lot of more customers within the base, being able to provide more services. So not only did they make this big investment into the platform, but they really missed the real use cases for